Hello, this is Tom from Tile Landscaping, and today we're installing a leach field. This home needs a new drainage system and we're not allowed to discharge to the street. The French drain system they currently have is completely clogged, full of water, and not repairable. We'll be installing two 50-foot sections of leach field. We'll add inlets to drain the lawn area and also tie in the downspouts. With the new laws, most towns no longer allow running pipes to the street. A dry well or leach field may be your only option and is a great way to drain your yard. Contact us if you need help with a water problem. We can design and install a custom solution just for you. Enjoy our video and thanks for watching.
Hey, Dawn here. Just want to show you the new downspout filters. They will keep leaves and debris out of your drain system.